Today, we're talking about the number one rule that almost every trader ignores, but absolutely shouldn't, and that's setting a circuit breaker. Everyone loves talking about selling options, selling stocks, covered calls, cash secured puts, and building a reliable cash flow machine. But none of that matters if one bad day wipes out your account. A circuit breaker is the safety switch that protects everything that you've built. So what exactly is a trading circuit breaker? Well, it's simple. It's your emergency stop button. It's a rule you set that tells you exactly when to stop trading for the day or the week or before emotions take control. It protects you from panic. It protects you from revenge trades. And honestly, it protects you from your worst trading days. Reason number one, it protects your account. When you're selling options, covered calls, cash secured puts, or running the wheel strategy, your edge comes from consistency. Premium selling works because probabilities work over time. You can't let one single out of control day erase months of disciplined income. The circuit breaker is what keeps that from happening. Reason number two, it protects you from you. Let's be honest, most trading disasters don't come from the chart. They come from how we react to the chart. We chase data, we oversize trades, we try to make it back, we try to fix things emotionally, and the circuit breaker stops all of that before it starts. Reason number three, consistency equals income. Your cash flow machine, your entire options income system, that depends on discipline. Circuit breakers are the guardrails that keep your strategy on the road. When your rules are enforced, your edge can actually play out. So let me give you a quick hypothetical example. You sell a covered call at 110, the stock drops to 103. Suddenly, you're emotional. You're tempted to roll. You're tempted to double size. You're tempted to chase a rebound. Now, this is the exact moment when traders make their worst decisions. If you've already hit your daily or weekly loss limit or your trade limit for the day, your circuit breaker kicks in and you stop, period, end of story. It protects the strategy from the trader. So how do you set your own circuit breaker? Well, a daily loss limit, 1 or 2% of your account. A weekly loss limit, 3 to 6%. Behavior limits, 2 or 3 losing trades and you're done for the day. No revenge trades, no oversized positions after a loss, no breaking your rules and continuing anyway. Some brokers let you automate this. If yours does, you should use it. Set your circuit breaker today, not tomorrow, not when things get bad. Set it now so you're protected before you need it. If you want more ways to protect your account while still making consistent income with options, hit like, subscribe, and watch my next video about doing covered calls the right way. I'll see you there. By the way, if you want to see how this all works, I created a free mini course for you called the 4-Step Cash Flow Blueprint. Just go to this link or the one in the description and we'll deliver it right to your email. I'll see you soon. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice.